Oh my god, I'm back. So I'm going to see my van will start. We got back yesterday, landed in snow in Newcastle. Who would have guessed? 31 to 36 degrees the entire month we've been away. 20s, 28, 29 night time. And we come back here and it was 1 degrees. Okay, come on baby. It's not good. It's not in a month. Just juice it. Bollocks. We're on the beach. It's not in Thailand. It's eating sluice. But look how beautiful it is. Oh. It's not as busy as Phuket. Is it? You okay, Karen?
Yeah, good.
Nah. But look at the beach. Stunning, isn't it?
It's nice and quiet.
And the dogs missed her. Oh yeah, come on in. Miss the beach more, I think. You miss the beach? Van wouldn't start. Can't get into the garage because I parked it right now. So I can't get the bike on charge, but I'll get it started this afternoon, no bother. Sat there for a month, couldn't push it out the way because the brakes are seized on a bit. Even though I did take my handbrake off when I went away and just left it in gear, but all these little issues, things you deal with when you come home. It's Wednesday, the 26th of February. 0 degrees outside. Oh aye. I'm in my wagon. It's my first shift back. I got back day before yesterday in the afternoon. Landed in snow at Newcastle Airport, and you kind of just hit the ground running then. So I had a really lazy day, early night, kept my clock back in order. It was 7 hours ahead, 30 hours it was, travelling all in, no sleep. So out on the beach with the dog yesterday down in St. Sluice, my God, the tree miss us. She went mental. So first things first was get her on the beach, let her know we're back and normal services resumed. First one back today, like I said, on my way down Teesside. The lad's been stripping that job that I've been on for quite some time. So it's a load of gear to load up and bring back to the yard. Do a bit of sorting out in the yard today, and that'll be day one done.
So I hope everybody's been keeping alright. I really appreciate the lovely comments I've had on the vlogging. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea when a bit of travelling around and things like that, when they're more interested in the trucking side of things. I totally get it. Lost a few subs, gained a few new ones. It's just how it is. It's sad, but it's just what I do, you know. If there's anything we find interesting, I'm gonna video it, edit, and get it up there. So I've had no negative comments whatsoever, which has been absolutely brilliant. And look, I brought you some blue skies back, so it's not all that bad, is it? I should be there around 22:8. I'll put my car in at 6 o'clock. Did some rigorous checks because the wagon hasn't moved. It's obviously been turned over, or maybe it hasn't, but it just fired up straight away, unlike the van last night. Yesterday it was flat. It took nothing, just set jump leads, bang, fired it up, took it out, went to see my daughter, drove back home this morning, 5:30, fired up, no bother, so that's back on track. The motorbike's on trickle charge, that'll be all good. It's got one of those alarm systems on that just drains your bloody battery, and it's an absolute pig to try and remove the alarm. I'd rather not. But a motorbike's a lot easier to jump start than a van, that's for sure. So I borrowed some jump leads because I couldn't get into the garage. I backed right up. Just extra security for the bike in the garage and whatnot. Right, head down, crack on. Right, 12:45, fully loaded, maxed weight, and heading back to the yard. Probably get back around 2, so I might just have time to unload it, finish at 2:30 today. Good first day back, nice and busy, and look at the weather. I know it's cold but sunny. I'll not argue with that.